Enough reggae music. You must have to choose it. I saw them do it at Jamaica, you know. Roll it for rubber dub.
The backline, the giant, with Big Youth and Uri, the two founding father that really responsible for this whole rap thing. Cause if it wasn't for us, this rap thing wouldn't be going on. Thank.
But I give thanks and praises to the king, and let the king arise and his enemies be scattered. Now let the heat your feet.
As the smoke is driven away, so drive them away. As the wax melted before the fire, and so shall our weak conception melt to the presence of fire.
You let doubt go, but you let love stay. Should have a day round along the ways I play in the ghetto.
Cause without love you just can't go on.
In the ghetto, yeah.
Love is what we want, love is what we need.
And you need to love your love, and you love for life to live. But I everything I've got to will be mine to give it to you in the ghetto.
What we want today. And love is what we have to get. I beg you, give me love. Come on.
But I who let it love, but we don't so come on down. I know you're wrong in the ghetto. Let me tell you, Mr. Brooks, one of the chief, Mrs. Brooks, so mean. But you still got to be our sin and the king in the ghetto.
And don't be mean in the ghetto.
In the ghetto,
it's a ghetto down here.
But you don't test them for ground, gotta keep them moving around. You stop and being a clown, we can see me when I'm putting down in the ghetto.
I see mischief and strife in the ghetto. Children crying for hunger. Brothers killing brothers day after day.
Yeah. What a terrible sensation, what a terrible vibration. So cool that generation gonna feel that vibration. It's the nation gonna feel it.
I said you got to be careful.
But if you can't be good, so you got to be careful. For you got my cheerful little neighborhood.
You gotta be careful of the third and fourth generation. Yeah, and it's a third and fourth generation.
I wanna tell you about from Genesis to Revelation. We know Baba no more teaching, I'm going to be kitchen. Let me tell you,
for the third and fourth generation.
In the ghetto we live today.